Hello, this is a startup file for Philips LPC 2000 device series. This is a startup code. So this code is executed after a reset. Starting with the code, first of all we have the standard definition of mode bits and interrupt flags in PSRs. So we have set mode USR and set its value to 0x10. Similarly, we have defined all the values for different modes like FIQ, IRQ, SV supervisor, abort, undefined system. Then after we have set the interrupt bit and flag bit. Then we have stack configurations. So we have allotted the stack sizes in bytes to the different modes. Then we have defined all the phase lock loop definitions. So like phase lock loop base, phase lock loop offset, phase lock loop offset and all other phase locks. Then we have done the phase lock loop setup. Then we have included the memory accelerator module definitions. There we have included memory accelerator module base address, control offset and timing offset. Then external memory controller definitions are set. We have set the external memory controller base address, BCFGO offset, BCFG1 offset, G2 offset, G3 offset. Then external memory controller is set up. Then we have done bank configurations, BCFG1. Similarly, we have set up BCFG2, G3 and G4. Then we have defined external memory pins. This is the pin select 2 address. This is the pin select 2 values. This startup code must be linked first at the address at which it expects to run. These are all predefined interrupt handlers that may be directly overwritten by C interrupt functions, extern code 32 and all other. Then we have set the exception vectors. Then we have configured and enabled the PLL. Then we will wait until the phase log loop is logged. Then we will switch to the PLL clock. Then we have set the memory mapping. Then we have set up the stack for each mode. Then after we have set the stack pointer of the undefined instruction mode. Then we will enter the abort mode and set its stack pointer. Similarly for FIQ mode, IRQ mode, supervisor mode, user mode. Then we will enter the C code which we are supposed to run after startup, after executing all this.